Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima rotors. First, let's prioritize safety and gather our essential tools. You'll need a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Make sure your Altima is on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout this important maintenance task. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and secure repair. Now that safety is covered, let's get to work. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on while the car is still on the ground. Once loosened, carefully raise your Altima using the jack and secure it firmly with 2 jack stands. With the wheel off, locate the 2 caliper guide pin bolts, usually 13 or 14 mm, and remove them. Gently slide the caliper off and hang it using a bungee cord or wire, preventing any strain on the brake hose. With the caliper safely out of the way, it's time to remove the old rotor. You'll need to take out the 2 large caliper bracket bolts, which are often 19 mm. Once those are removed, the old brake rotor should slide right off the wheel hub assembly. Before installing the new rotor, it's crucial to clean the hub surface thoroughly with a wire brush. This ensures a flat mounting surface. Finish by applying a thin, even layer of anti-seize compound to prevent future corrosion. Now for the final steps. Carefully place your new brake rotor onto the clean wheel hub, ensuring it sits flush. Reattach the caliper bracket, tightening its 2 bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 80 to 100 foot-pounds. Next, reinstall the brake caliper, making sure the guide pins are properly lubricated for smooth operation. Finally, mount the wheel, hand tighten the lug nuts, lower the vehicle, and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to about 85 foot-pounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.